We're counting down the 10 best beginner running shoes under $200 you can buy in 2026, focusing on comfort, value, and shoes that make starting your running journey a whole lot easier. Number 10. Adidas Supernova Rise 2. If you've never owned a running shoe before, the Adidas Supernova Rise 2 is one of the safest places to start. Instead of feeling overly soft or extremely firm, it finds a nice balance in the middle. That makes it easy to wear whether you're jogging around the neighborhood, walking the dog, or spending an entire day on your feet. New runners often don't need aggressive racing technology. They simply need something that feels natural, and this shoe delivers exactly that. Another advantage is durability. The outsole grips well on both dry and slightly wet pavement, while the upper provides enough ventilation to keep your feet cool during longer runs. With a price comfortably below $200, the Supernova Rise 2 gives beginners premium comfort without making them pay premium race shoe prices. Number 9. ASICS Novablast 5. If comfort is your number one priority, the Novablast 5 deserves serious attention. The first thing you'll notice is the cushioning. Every step feels soft, energetic, and surprisingly fun. Instead of feeling like your feet are hitting concrete, the shoe helps absorb impact while giving a little bounce back with every stride. The updated upper is lighter than previous versions and wraps around the foot without creating uncomfortable pressure points. Even runners with slightly wider feet usually find plenty of room in the toe box. While experienced runners enjoy it for daily training, beginners often love it because it feels forgiving. Small mistakes in your running form don't feel as punishing thanks to the generous cushioning underneath. If you want one shoe that encourages you to keep running instead of making your legs sore after every workout, the Novablast 5 is hard to beat. Number 8. Brooks Ghost 17. Not every beginner wants an overly soft shoe. Some people prefer something predictable that simply works every single time they lace it up. The Ghost 17 continues that reputation with smooth cushioning, excellent stability, and a fit that works for a wide range of foot shapes. Nothing about this shoe feels flashy, and that's actually its biggest strength. It quietly does everything well. Whether you're running your first mile, training for a 5K, or simply taking long walks, the Ghost 17 stays comfortable without demanding an adjustment period. Its reliable grip and durable construction also mean it'll likely last hundreds of miles, making it an excellent value for first-time runners who want one dependable shoe for almost every workout. Number 7. New Balance Fresh Foam X1080 V14. If your biggest concern is comfort, the Fresh Foam X1080 V14 is one of the softest daily trainers you can buy under $200. Long walks, easy jogs, and recovery runs all feel incredibly smooth. Despite the plush cushioning, the shoe doesn't feel overly heavy. New Balance refined the design to make transitions from heel to toe feel more natural than previous versions. The stretchy upper also adapts well to different foot shapes, making it a great option for runners who often struggle to find comfortable shoes. If your goal is simply to enjoy running without sore feet afterward, this shoe is one of the easiest recommendations on the list. Number 6. Saucony Ride 18. Some running shoes specialize in one thing. The Saucony Ride 18 tries to do everything well. That's exactly why it's such a great beginner shoe. Whether you're running 2 miles or walking around town all day, the Ride 18 feels balanced and dependable. The shoe is also surprisingly lightweight, helping new runners maintain a comfortable stride without feeling weighed down. Another area where Saucony shines is durability. The outsole uses plenty of rubber in high wear areas, allowing the shoe to handle hundreds of miles before showing serious signs of wear. If you're planning to own just one pair of running shoes this year, the Ride 18 deserves a place near the top of your list. Number 5. Nike Pegasus 42. Very few running shoes have earned the reputation of the Nike Pegasus. For decades, it has been one of Nike's most trusted daily trainers, and the Pegasus 42 continues that tradition. The latest version combines responsive React-X foam with a lighter design, creating a ride that feels comfortable without becoming overly soft. The breathable engineered mesh upper keeps airflow moving during warm weather, while the outsole offers dependable traction on roads and sidewalks. One reason the Pegasus remains so popular is its versatility. You don't need separate shoes for easy runs and everyday activities. The Pegasus handles both with ease, making it a smart investment for anyone buying their first running shoe. Number 4. HOKA Clifton 10. Few brands have become as popular among beginner runners as HOKA, and the Clifton 10 shows exactly why. At first glance, the thick sole may look oversized, but once you start running, it makes perfect sense. The generous cushioning absorbs impact exceptionally well, reducing stress on your knees and ankles. Despite its large appearance, the Clifton feels surprisingly lightweight. The smooth rocker-shaped sole also helps guide your foot forward, making each step feel easier and more efficient. Many new runners say the Clifton actually makes running feel less intimidating because it softens the impact that often discourages beginners after their first few workouts. If your priority is maximum comfort with minimal effort, the Clifton 10 easily earns its place among the best first running shoes you can buy in 2026. Number 3. Mizuno Neo Zen. If you're looking for something that feels premium without crossing the $200 mark, the Mizuno Neo Zen is one of the biggest surprises of 2026. Unlike traditional Mizuno shoes that were known for being firm, the Neo Zen focuses on softness and smooth transitions. Its nitrogen-infused foam feels light, responsive, and incredibly comfortable during easy runs. The one-piece knit upper hugs your foot like a sock without feeling restrictive, making it easy to slip on and forget you're even wearing it. What really makes the Neo Zen stand out is how effortless it feels. Every step flows naturally into the next, which can help beginners develop a smoother running rhythm without thinking too much about their form. If you're starting your running journey and want something that feels modern, lightweight, and comfortable, the Neo Zen is definitely worth considering. Number 2. Puma Deviate Nitro 3. Puma has quietly become one of the strongest running shoe brands in recent years, and the Deviate Nitro 3 proves just how far they've come. While it includes technology that experienced runners appreciate, it's also surprisingly beginner-friendly. The Nitro foam delivers soft landings while still giving enough energy return to make every run feel a little easier. The shoe also includes a carbon composite plate, but unlike aggressive racing shoes, it doesn't feel difficult to control. Instead, it gently helps move you forward without making your stride feel unnatural. Grip is another major advantage. Puma's excellent rubber outsole performs well on dry roads, wet sidewalks, and even light gravel paths, giving new runners extra confidence in different conditions. If you think you might eventually train for longer races like a 10K or even a half marathon, the Deviate Nitro 3 is a shoe you won't outgrow anytime soon. Number 1. ASICS GEL-Nimbus 27. Taking the number 1 spot is the ASICS GEL-Nimbus 27. For first-time runners, it offers nearly everything you could ask for: exceptional comfort, excellent cushioning, reliable durability, and a smooth ride that makes running feel easier from the very first mile. The updated FF Blast Plus ECO foam creates an incredibly soft landing while still feeling stable enough for beginners. Combined with ASICS' signature Pure GL technology, the shoe does an outstanding job of reducing impact on your joints. The breathable engineered mesh upper keeps your feet comfortable even during longer workouts, while the outsole is built to last hundreds of miles before showing significant wear. What really separates the Nimbus from many competitors is its consistency. It performs just as well during a slow walk as it does on a 5-mile run. That versatility makes it an outstanding choice if you're only planning to buy one pair of running shoes this year. Yes, it's close to the $200 limit, but many runners consider it worth every dollar because of the comfort, quality, and confidence it provides. For beginners who want one shoe that can support them from their very first run to their first race, the ASICS GEL-Nimbus 27 is our top recommendation for 2026.